It's well documented that white supremacist power structures have caused historic inequalities and a root cause of community violence. What would you approach to addressing the roots of cause of addressing violence and mending broken relationships between communities and elected officials in Lexington? So we will start with you, Mr. Roberts.
Thank you. Well, that's a huge problem for the county attorney's office. We deal with the crime that happens, and then we deal with the victims of that crime, and we've got some pretty bad crimes. White supremacist issues, I don't know how to deal with that because I'm not one. And so when I look at this as a fair person, I deal with every single case individually, and I'm happy to do that. Now, we do have white supremacists and racism in our town. I know that. I understand it. I don't like it in any way. In schools, in the police, in courts, I don't tolerate it if I have anything to do with it. So you got to understand that and look at my record from what we've done. I have a great amount of people in my office who are women as opposed to men, more women than men as prosecutors. Racially, we have racial equality in our office. We have That's not funny. That's not funny. That's something that's absolutely true. And I'm happy for that. I'm glad that we have that. And so we have a watchdog all the time, folks, to try to stop any kind of racism that ever occurs within my office or in the courtroom. I don't tolerate it in any circumstances. Thank you.
You need a county attorney who's going to look at crimes directed towards marginalized people through the lens of hate crimes. I think that's the first thing you do. You have to have that understanding that just because it's an assault fourth, there might be an underlying reason for it, and you need to look at it from that perspective. So I think that's one way to start making the entire community feel comfortable is pursuing cases that might appear to be based on racism, any other kind of ism, homophobic mentalities as such. So you need a county attorney who understands that and is sensitive to that issue. And that's how you start mending relationships with the community, is letting them know that, yes, I understand there's an issue and I can do what I can do through my job and actually start prosecuting such crimes as hate crimes.